We are going to be looking at problem number 46 from section 5.2. This is an application type problem involving logarithm, and the problem states the following. It says the percent of live births to unwed mothers for the years 1970 to 2003 can be modeled by the function above, where x is the number of years since 1960. What we are asked to do is tell what does the model predict the percent to be in 2010 and then also in 2015. So before we get started, let's get our calculator a little bit bigger here. Let me move it up and make it even bigger yet, so we can see what we're doing. We're going to be doing this problem using the calculator, and what I'm going to do first is in the calculator I am going to put this model into the y equals menu. So after I turn it on, we can put this in. So this is negative 32.422, and then we have plus 17.664 times the natural logarithm of x. And so this is our model that we are going to use. So we'll hit enter. Now we can get out of here, and one way that we can do this is to go in and put in what we need right directly into the calculator. So let me get out of here, and what we can do is go into the vars menu and go to y variables. This is function, and we're going to choose y1. And what we can do is after this, inside of parentheses, we can put the x value that we want. Now, for the year 2010, our x value needs to be the years since 1960. Well, 2010 minus 1960 is going to be 50. So our x value needs to be 50. When we press enter, we get an answer of 36.6780 if we're going to keep 3 decimal places. And so if I set up my pointer here, I can write down that answer. And here we go. So and my answer for this one was approximately, and the answer is going to be about 36 point, I'm just going to have 68, rounding that off. And so this is our answer, and remember that this is 36.68% of live births were to unwed mothers in the year 2010. For the year 2015, we can do something similar. Let me do this one more directly for the sake of those of you that like to see it that way. And so if I go in here doing this more directly, I can put in the negative 32.422 plus the natural logarithm of let's see, oops, I missed the what I need to have in front of here. I need to insert, we need to have that 17.664, and now we can have the natural logarithm of our x value. Now again, in the year 2015, since our x value is the years after 1960, 2015 minus 1960 is going to be 55. So we'll put in 55, and once we press enter, we get our answer. And so our answer for this one is going to be 38.36 about, and so this would be 38.364 if we keep 3 digits, or if we only keep 2 digits, this would be 38.36. And so this is our answers for part A of this problem. Part B of this problem, it says, is the percent increasing or decreasing? Well, since we have a bigger answer for 2015 than we did for 2010, the answer should be probably increasing. And so looking at this here, I'm going to underline my answer. My answer here is increasing. We could also look at a graph of this. If we want to look at a graph of this, let's set up our window here and trying to get my cursor in the right place. Let's go from, say, 0 to, well, yeah, let's go from 0 to, say, about 50. Well, I got 55 here. Let's make a scale of 5. And since I had values in the 30s in here, we can go from 0 to, say, let's go to, say, 40. And use a scale of 5 again here. And if we do this and look at our graph, we can see that this function is increasing. And so that our answer for part B is correct. This completes problem number 46 from section 5.2, looking at a model involving natural logarithms.